That hip maker, I can leave my hand up if I need to. And again, I'm using my block to push and my hip to lift. So again, sometimes you'll find if your opponent is much larger than you, it's hard to do the lifting hip throws. So if you need to modify, attack a single leg. As he comes in, I can use my knee here to attack a single leg and lift. That becomes more of a disbalancing technique as opposed to a big hip throw. So again, he punches. I can strike it here, attack one, then you can side kick to the opposite knee. Just don't really hit your partner, that's going to really damage that joint. So again, if you want to, you can strike. So he throws that punch, you can strike high with the first hand as you hit. As this lifts, you can side kick to that opposite knee, destroying the joint.